Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Pad Mini and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on the video or the photo mode, portrait mode, whatever. We will have to enter the settings, but before we will do that, I hope that you can see this special type of grid line. It's a golden spiral. I've applied it before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. And basically this grid line should disappear after that. So in order to reset the settings, we have to enter the settings itself, so let's tap on it. And here, as you can see, we've got this restore defaults option. So let's tap on it and tap on done. And as you can see, we just got back automatically to the camera, and we cannot see the grid line in either photo or the video mode, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to reset camera preferences in your REALME Pad Mini. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.